Bonjour. So before I show you the very much anticipated updated tour of my house, I thought I need to share this news with you. So I made an appointment to go and see the mayor, and that took place last week. It lasted for 2 hours, and I presented him with a proposal. So let me show you what the proposal looked like. I proposed some murals in the village of Châlus to enhance the village, and I identified a few buildings, gave a few examples of other murals in places like Limoges, Villefranche d'Allier, and so forth. To my surprise, the mayor agreed, and I was very surprised because most of the buildings in Châlus are protected by the castle. In other words, you're not allowed to change the exteriors of these buildings. But he immediately identified quite a few buildings, and I'm going to show you. Here you can see the first building that we're going to tackle. I'm now in my studio trying to put a presentation together, which I have to present to the City Council on the 17th of September. You can see up there in the corner I added another window with the face of Pierre who is a historical figure from Châlus. He used to grow up here with his grandparents, became a famous comedian on television, and then during the Second World War he left Paris to come and live with his grandparents again. So even the college was named after him. Right, so next week I promise the tour of my house, but till then I have a lot of work to do. So, because apart from the murals, the mayor also jumped another project on me to design 2 panels for the children's play park in Châlus. 2 panels that will have cut-out faces, so you know what those are, where you have a figure and then with a cut-out face, and the kids can put their faces in there and the parents can take photographs of them. And I think I will probably target Richard the Lionheart for the boys, and for the girls Eleanor de Aquitaine, his mother, for the girls. So till next week, thank you so much for the nice comments, and especially the appreciation of Angelique's artwork last week. Thank you for that. It will mean a lot to her. Till next week. Leon's Day, Pamela. A bientôt.